So Dean, will be fighting Kyle Buchada. This looks like a very much of a difficult fight to predict. Both two fighters are very much technical, and Imavov destroyed Israel Adesanya, Jared Cannonier outsmarted Ramando Edze, Brendan Allen, no contest against Curtis, and Buchada having a score of 17-1-0, fight nerd, 6'1", 175 of reach, out of Sao Paulo, Brazil. He defeated Jared Cannonier, Paul Craig, Abus Magomedov, Mikhail Alexichuk, Mahmoud Muradov, Armen Petrosyan, Gadjaman Gadjiev, the guy is on a great streak, but I expect a long war, over 2.5 gonna be my prediction. I don't see a knockout in this fight, but if you're asking me who's gonna win, I'll be thinking about giving slight advantage to Imo because he's more technical and in those type of fights, Imo simply has smaller chances to lose, so Imo is a side call.